Looking right now at the VideoMakerFX video creation software, which as you can see right now, it's been remarkably simplified, but it doesn't mean you're cutting back on any power at all. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of scenes I've already added to my project here in the software. And it just shows you how easy and powerful it is. You get a live preview right here. You can easily customize everything about your scenes right here on the right side. So let's say I want to customize this scene with my own text here. As you can see, it's just instant. Everything updates right away. You can customize all of your text. You can customize all of your effects quickly and easily. There's so many different scenes here. In fact, there's over 240 different scenes like this with the software, and you can mix and match all of them and do everything so you can make your own perfect video. At the bottom we see here the total time of my project, which is 45 seconds. And on each scene, you'll see exactly how long the scene is. And you can also control these scenes so they're longer or shorter. So you can make your video exactly how you want it to be. Here, let me show you just how easy it is to add a slide. Just click the Add Slide button, and I'm going to add a whiteboard slide. So there you go, just like that, you have a scene added into your video with a hand placing text, just like the expensive videos do it. And there's just so many different scenes. Like I said, guys, there's over 240 of them. Let me show you just how easy it is to control the different colors and effects of every single scene that you have. It just takes seconds and it's updated as you go along. As you can see, there's just you can add your own effect to any of your scenes just instantly. Let's take a look at some of the special effects that we can add. And just like that, instant backgrounds added into your video so they have a special effect. You can also add and configure your own audio, and that's done right through this panel here. You can use your own music and you can use your own voice track. You can also record right in the software. And we have 20 royalty-free premium music tracks included. Guys, there really couldn't be anything easier to make an engaging and incredible video than with VideoMakerFX. This software is so simple and easy to use, and once you're done with your video and you're ready to export it, it's just going to take you just a few minutes to export it, unlike some of the other big name softwares where it takes you hours sometimes to export your video. This just runs so fast and it's just so quick and easy to use that anybody can make a video quickly and easily. Alright guys, so you've seen